Welcome to Nourish for Soul channel.
So what are the effects of Allah's mercy prevailing over His anger? Let us begin with the world around us, a miraculously formidable construction that has mercy intertwined in every inch of its fabric. Think about how the earth rotates about its own axis at a speed of around 1,000 miles per hour. AR-RAHMAN made it that way so that we don't feel its speed. In fact, it's so unnoticeable that our ancestors were quite confused about the nature of the cosmos. They noticed that the stars, the sun, the moon all appeared to be moving about the earth, but because they couldn't feel the planet moving, they logically interpreted this observation to mean that earth was stationary, whilst the heavens moved about us. Subhanallah, so how merciful has Allah Ar-Rahman been to us when He made it this way? Imagine if Allah Almighty had left it upon us to provide oxygen to the world. Seeing that 10 liters of oxygen costs around £10 a day, and bearing in mind that man inhales about 11,000 liters of air a day, 550 liters of which is pure oxygen. You can do the maths yourself for a day's worth of oxygen you need. Then multiply this figure by 7.8 billion human beings who live on the planet Earth today to get the bill for 1 day's worth of oxygen. But no, Ar-Rahman subhanallah has taken it upon Himself to deliver the oxygen to everyone free of charge. La ilaha illallah. That is Allah Ar-Rahman. In fact, the effects of His mercy are found within every cup of water. The molecular structure of water is one molecule of oxygen and 2 molecules of hydrogen, H2O. In other words, the very substance that life depends upon happens to be composed of one element that is highly flammable and another element that is an oxidizer, meaning a chemical that fuel requires to burn. So simply put, had Allah left it to these 2 elements to function according to their disposition, the globe would be set ablaze with one matchstick that is lit. But instead, these 2 molecules have been brought together, creating a miraculous chemical called water that we use to quench thirst and we use to put out fires. Is this not an effect of the name of Allah Ar-Rahman? And look how it's been made subtle enough, water, for ocean divers to penetrate its surface and extract benefits from within the depths of the oceans. But on the other hand, water has properties that allow it to carry the heaviest of ships on its back at the same time. The world's largest floating vessel, weighing at around 600,000 tons, was launched in 2013 by the company Shell. And this is not too heavy for the sea's surface. It can carry it. But Ar-Rahman subhanallah has endowed water with buoyancy, a force that allows for floating. So who is the true carrier of these vessels? Who is the one who helps them float to transport essentials from continent to continent? Allah Almighty, He said, رَبُّكُمُ الَّذِي يُسْجِي لَكُمُ الْفُلْكَ فِي الْبَحْرِ لِتَبْتَغُوا مِنْ فَضْلِهِ. It is your Lord who drives the ships for you through the sea, that you may seek of His bounty. And then He said, إِنَّهُ كَانَ بِكُمْ رَحِيمًا. He has been ever merciful toward you.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos, like and share.